shitto anyone. Here we go, at it again, on a walk, in Notts this time. We took a nice stroll through, I think it's 4 villages. Hopefully we'll see some nice street signs as well, or village signs. Bit of sky porn again. Not bad, not bad. Can see some sheep over there. Look at that, look. Look how many sheep there are. Can't really see on here. There's easily about 200 sheep there. It's Connery Lane. That was absolutely packed. It's a long lane. How low that finger sign is. Never seen one of them before. Well, I've seen plenty of them, but I've never seen one that low. Watton, Granby, Plunga, Melton. It's got to be Melton Mowbray. Probably wrong. Come on. Bobo's here, look. Oh, that one's just dropped a big load. Hey, mate. Come say hello. Hey, up. Oh, yes. Hello. Oh, you got a snotty nose, mate. Ooh, keep that snot. Got snot on his nose. Got a cold, lad. Off the lane now. Got along this little trail. It's like an old train path. There used to be an old train track. I'm guessing. Definitely doing archery or something. See an archer's target there. You can see it. I've walked down that lane for absolutely ages. Barnstone, Langer. We're going up there. And the houses up here look absolutely massive. I've never been here. It's my first time. You can see these houses. They're massive. That's a huge house. I'd love to live in a house like that. Granby, please drive carefully. It's a lovely little place, this is. Cracking sign, that is. Look how nice this is. Let's get my Google Maps out because I don't know where I'm going from here. The Marquis of Granby pub. Alright, let me check Google Maps. Nice little pub. That's mint. Welcome to Granby. Look at the size of these horses. They are massive. You gotta have some spondoolies to live around here. Bit of sky porn, look at that. Yes. Yes, yes. Let's have it. Took the board off it though. Lovely. Look at that. Do you know what? I don't know whether I prefer walking on this kind of path or like a solid road. Because most of the way down here I've just been on a solid road. I think this is more awkward to walk on. Look at that lush grass. Sky. Look at that. There's a lot of straight roads here, but the views in the background are mint. And the sky. I mean, come on, look at that. Oh, focus, there we go. Last of the summer wine. Barnstone now. Plenty of farms and villages around this area. What have we got down here? Let's see if we can get down there and go and have a look.